In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove plugins Figma. If your plugin list has gotten cluttered or something isn't behaving the way you expect. Removing a plugin you no longer need is a quick way to clean up your workspace and reduce distractions. I'll walk you through a few different ways to get to the same place. So use whichever path feels most natural to you. First, open your design. You can remove plugins from anywhere in a file, but having a design open makes it easy to confirm you are in the right project and to test your setup afterward. With your file open, look to the very top left corner of the Figma window and click the Figma logo. That opens the main menu. From there, move down to Plugins and then choose Manage Plugins. This is the central hub where you can see everything you've installed and make changes. If you prefer a quicker route without going through the main menu, you can also right-click anywhere on the canvas. In the context menu that appears, hover over Plugins and select Manage Plugins. It takes you to the exact same place, just a slightly faster path if your cursor is already in the canvas. Another efficient option is to use the quick command shortcut. Press Ctrl and the / key together to open the command palette. Once that's up, go to the Plugins section. This gives you fast access to plugin controls right from your keyboard, which is handy if you like staying in flow without mousing through menus. Now that you are in the Manage Plugins view, find the plugin you want to remove. Take a moment to double-fact check you've picked the right one, especially if there are similar names in your list. Removing a plugin here simply takes it off your account in Figma. It doesn't delete any of your files or designs. Your work remains exactly as it is, only the tool you installed gets removed from your environment. When you've located the plugin, look for the 3 dots next to its name. Click those dots to open the Options menu, and then select Remove. Figma will take care of the rest. If the plugin was showing in your plugins list, it will disappear, confirming it's no longer installed. A quick tip before we wrap up: if you change your mind later, you can always reinstall the plugin from the Figma community. Removing it now won't prevent you from bringing it back when you need it again. That's it. Enjoy the cleaner setup, and thanks for watching.